Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Maharaj Parikṣit then conquered all parts of the earthly planet, Bhajva, Ketamal, Bharat, the northern Kuru, Kimparus, etc., and exacted tributes from their respective rulers. Bhadrashva, it is an island near Meru Parvat. There is a description of this island in the Mahabharata. The description was narrated by Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. Maharaj Yudhishthira also conquered this island, and thus the province was included within the jurisdiction of his empire. Maharaj Parikṣit was formally declared to be the emperor of all lands ruled by his grandfather, but still he had to establish his supremacy while he was out of his capital to exact tribute from such states. Ketamal. This earth planet is divided into 7 parts, and according to others it is divided into 9 parts. This earth is called Jambudvip, and is divided into 9 Varshas. Bharatvarsh is one of the above-mentioned 9 Varshas. Such Varshas are known as continents in the modern geographical context. Ketamal is described as one of the above Varshas. It is said that in this Varsh, women are the most beautiful. This Varsh was conquered by Arjuna also. A description of this part of the world is available in the Mahabharata. It is said that this part of the world is situated on the western side of the Meru Parvat, and the inhabitants of this province used to live up to 10,000 of years. Human beings living in this part of the globe are of golden colour, and the women resemble the angels of heaven. The inhabitants are free from all kinds of diseases and grief. Bharatvarsha, this part of the world is also one of the 9 Varshas of the Jambudvip, or earthly planet. Each planet is also sometimes called a dvip, because of its being an island in the fathomless outer space. Each planet is factually an island in the airy ocean of outer space. Jambudvip is only one of such countless islands in this airy ocean of space. A description of Bharatvarsha is given in the Mahabharata. Uttara, according to Sridhar Swami, these parts of the world are called Ilavrit Varsh, or the Mediterranean countries of Europe. The description of the Ilavrit Varsh is given in the Mahabharata as follows. It is twice mentioned here that the women are beautiful, and some of them are equal to the Apsaras, or heavenly women. Therefore the countries mentioned are round about the Mediterranean coast. Kimparushe Varsh. It is stated to be situated beyond the northern side of Darjeeling Dhaulagiri, and probably may be a country like Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and China. These parts of the world were also conquered by Arjuna. The Kimpurush are descendants of the daughter of Daksh. When Maharaj Yudhishthira performed a horse sacrifice, the inhabitants of these countries were also present to take part in the festival, and they paid tributes to the emperor. This part of the world is called Kimpurus Varsh, or sometimes the Himalayan provinces, Himavati. It is said that Shukdev Goswami was born in these Himalayan provinces, and he came to Bharatvarsha after crossing the Himalayan countries. In other words, Maharaj Parikṣit conquered all the world. Namely, all the continents adjoining all the seas and oceans in all directions, namely the eastern, western, northern, and southern parts of the world.